everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this video I'm going to show you about the WhatsApp sticker. The new one has been released and you can download in both Android and iOS phone. So the new WhatsApp stickers, for that one just go to the WhatsApp here, simple method, select any chats of the group, click on your chart options, and there you have to click on your emojis, and there you will get this downside the icons and then gif, and then there is about the stickers here. So plus icon is there next to the voice message is there, just click on that one and you can see all sticker is there. The new one is there, you can click on that one. Together stay at home, this is created by WHO, World Health Organization. So for that one's lockdown purpose, stay at home. So like this sticker has been released, so just click to download this, and you can so tap on that one to preview. It's very less size, you can just download and use it. So you can download any sticker whichever you want here. The new one also, this one is also, you can see this is created by Imaginaries Annex Costume always. So if you want you can use it, and there is like update option is there, so on, so many things there. So let's have a look out that our stickers is there. Okay, hi-fi is there, stay home is there, and these are the so many heroes are the you are my heroes. So these are about the stickers, the WhatsApps. So if you have any problems, you just update the WhatsApp also in your Play Store, you will get these options. So if you have any problem you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Tech channel.